Hello friends. So today the video I'm going to be working on is a little bit of a twofer again. I am a threefer. I think I have a threefer going on. So this is for the Scrap 5 challenge, and it's really fun because there's a number of creatives that are in this group, and it's a hop that we will be doing today. And each month somebody in the group chooses the 5 things that we get to scrapbook with. So for today, and this is for the March one in case you're watching it in the future, we have to use doodling or outlining. Awesome. I'll probably go the outline route. Geometric shapes, and my geometric shape of choice today will be a circle, because yeah, it's a shape. Acrylic, no problem. I'll get into my acrylic stash in a minute. Die cuts, which I have a pack right here of die cuts to pull from, and something red. So my something red will be showing up here and there on this page, but it's not really going to be like the full thing. Let me look at my photo. Nope, nobody's wearing red. But I will make sure to get those things in. Now, secondly, I am playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches this month. And this is the one we have for the 13th. And I'll make sure to have that right about right here when I'm crafting. But there's a bunch of stuff kind of over here. Not kind of, it really is. I'm going to probably have to move it to the other side. I don't know. No, I don't know. We can work with it. There's some mixed media beds. I can decide how that's going to go. And then there's a bunch of white space. But you know, since I don't do the white space thing that well, I'm going to include this piece right here in the sketch because I'm going to need more stuff on here. So we have that. And then finally, I'm using up kits for part of the How to Kill a Kit with Style series. This is just the kit I'm using. It's a kit. I'm using up 3 different kits, leftovers from Not Just for Boys Kit Club, because there's new stuff coming in all the time, and I need to not have little bits left of kits and kits and kits and kits. Gets me kind of crazy when like they go from this many kits to this, to this. Yeah, so I have a mountain right now. Need to use up some things because there's beautiful collections coming out right now, and I have a feeling they're going to make their way to my house. All right, so let me show you my plan so far. I have this piece right here from Vicki Boot, and it's very distressed, so that will work with doing some splatty bits and all that kind of stuff. This is from Art Walk, and yes, this side is gorgeous. Just, I need a background. We have to deal with it. It's called Casita, so very cool. Like a little house, a little casa. Next, the geometric shapes. I liked the idea of this piece right here, and I will be detail cutting it out, okay? Because I'm using a photo that's kind of teen related. And then I'm also in a bit of a cut file phase, so I will back this cut file. Back it? Yeah, I think I'm going to have to back it. Now, I think I might be doing just the whole circle in this Vicki Booten Let's Wander. It's fun. It's kind of a young, whimsical kind of vibe. So that might be really, really fun. So we can see some of that with this pop of yellow. Now, this piece I'm using here has a couple different tones of yellow. So I think I can still bring this in. Then, oh, but wait, there's more. I like this orange color, and I have some of this Vicki Booten paper right here. I actually have a bunch. Well, I have this much of this page left. It is from Field Notes, and it's called Simple Things. So I have a nice chunk of this really nice orange that matches this pink fresh line really well. Oh, and this is from Super Cool, and I don't think I have the name of the paper because I chopped it off. So I have that. Now, I also have this from Super Cool called Bright Side in the event that I want to either bring in this, which is Let's Take a Selfie, which the photo I have is a selfie. And I also like this deep yellow from that reads Choose Your Own Adventure. So I have that on standby. Phew, I've got a lot on standby. Okay, so I have that. Now, let me show you my photo. So I asked this daughter of mine, she was going to a movie. And it's the first time any of us have gone to a movie since March of last year when we started all the COVID shutdown stuff. So, you know, even going to a movie is a really big deal for us right now. So this is what I got. This is what I got. I'm like, can I tell you're going to a movie? No. Can I tell anything? No, but she actually sent me one. So, you know, we're going to be excited about that. So I'm going to have to go through this set from, I think, what is it called? Oh, Super Cool from Pink Fresh, and see what will work to go along with that theme. I think Friends, OMG, Teen, because she's 19 still, so I can use Teen still. I can find a bunch of goodies from here as well. So what I need to do is trim my photo and matte it. I know I'm definitely matting it with this deep orange, which kind of makes their faces look a little day glow. Maybe I will matte it in this and then the orange, so it's not so much. I think I'm going to have to do that. And this is just a nice, I don't know, medium weight cardstock that is behind my cut file. All right, so I have that. I need to detail cut this piece out. Awesome. Back my cut file with this. This is just an extra piece in case we need it. I'll put it to the side for now. I have to find this. Oh, and for the doodling outlining, I'm just going to use this little Stabilo 0.88. It is like a mid-tone gray, and I just picked them up at my Michael's. They're kind of by the cash register. You know that like impulse buy aisle that's at some of the Michael's? That's where mine are. And yeah, and I use a coupon with it, and it's like $1. Not any big and fancy thing, but I do like to use gray as opposed to black for like inking and outlining and all that. All right, that's a ton of explanation, and I've done nothing. So let me get to work, and I'll be back in a minute when I have a little bit more traction. All right, quick check-in time. So I did decide to only trim the side of this Pink Fresh piece because I like how clean it looks on the left. I have, oh, Venmo. I have backed this cut file really, really simple with that Vicky Bouton paper, and I think I'll put it there kind of like we have here because these two look like they're looking down to me. So, and the papers are just kind of wonky, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not going to have them super lined up, and I'll have them right here. Now, the first thing people will ask is, why did you back the whole cut file and now you're covering part of it? Because I didn't know what I was going to do yet. And, you know, the cut file just being a circle, super easy to back. Now, oh shoot, somebody wants me to show how I back an entire cut file. This one is a super easy cut file. So really quickly, all I did is put a dot of, or a line of adhesive just around the outside of it, really, really light, popped it onto a full-size piece, or onto a piece, you can use a scrap of pattern paper, let it rest for a couple minutes, and then trimmed really lightly around the outside. So this was an easy one. We'll show it in more detail next time I use a little bit more of a complicated one. So I'm gonna pop that there. Pop these, just kind of messy, not lined up, you know, perfect matting like you see here. I haven't even gone through my die cuts yet. I'm sure I'll have lots of fun stuff. I'm going to repeat this pattern down here, probably with my ticket punches. You guys see me use them all the time. Actually, why don't I just go ahead while I am at it and punch out a piece of this pattern paper, and then I'll go ahead also and punch out a piece of the orangey stuff. Just a little bit of this orangey so I can bring that color down. I think that would be awesome. And how about, oh, I have a little bit left also of this piece that was part of that, the Pink Fresh stuff on the side. So I will do a little tab punch with that, just so I can bring all of those colors down and make it look like it should go together. All right, so I have those pieces. I'm gonna grab die cuts next, figure out what kind of mixed media bits I can do. I was seeing if I had a stamp or anything with this. Oh, I do. Guys, look at my cool stamp. Now it has stamping here, but I think I'm gonna continue geometric shapes with this. And like, I like this one here that reads awesome that I can put right in there. That would be cool. Maybe the life. So I'm going to keep doing some of the geometrics as well, because you can see how, can you guys see the stamping that's underneath the mixed media stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that's on my desk so I can use that. That'll be fun. I need to get out some die cuts from here. And, ooh, you know how it says teen? I think I'm going to have it read teen. Oh, gosh. I got to see what I have in here. SPIRIT. Yeah, I can have it read Teen Spirit. So that will be my title, which will be great for the photo because, you know, she is definitely acting teen specific there. So I'm going to get working on this just a little bit more. I'm watching The Spanish Princess, by the way, if you wonder what the picture-in-picture is. Because you guys so don't care. But I watched The White Queen, The White Princess, and The Spanish Princess, but I watched them out of order. So now, like, while I scrap, I'm just kind of listening to them all. They are using a tile saw over there next door. It's very loud. Sorry about that. All right, I'm going to keep working on this. I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, my friends, I'm just about done with this. I think I better get some enamel dots. Let me grab them. And I also grabbed a mist. Heidi Swap Color Shine In Patina. So it's this really great green, and it's a really, spot on dupe. Oh, I want to show you a couple of things really quick. I did use that stamp. It was a circle outline and had awesome put in. And down here, this one had this cross hatching right here. And I put the word legit in there. How cool, this building stamp. And then all of these empty circles down here, as well as on this star, I used this itty bitty little star stamp. So that all got incorporated in. Now I did go ahead and detail cut out some of these paper airplanes like you see on this Vicky Bouton sheet right here, and just put them in 3 places to keep the little cute airplane thing going. I have this OMG up on some foam tape. The airplane is this like, this little star red piece, as well as a follow your enthusiasms. Awesome. Blue, can we please be quiet? I'm trying to finish. Shush. All right, let's see how I'm doing. I have doodling around my photo and around these punched out tickets. Geometric shapes, those are everywhere. I have stars and circles. Die cuts, of course. Ooh, I need acrylic, and then there's something red. I have red on here. So let's find an acrylic piece. Blue, you need to stop. Shh, quiet. So I have this whole bin of acrylic pieces, and I think I'm going to use, these yellow acrylic stars in here. Ooh, wait. I have a bunch right here. So I'm going to grab like 3 yellow stars, get them on, hit it with my patina, and I'll be back in a minute to show you the finished project. All right, totally finished up. I went ahead and used these, they're kind of like frosted yellow stars in 3 places. So I did get the acrylic in. And then my enamel dots are from Cartabella. Let's see, Cartabella All Aboard collection. And I just had some green enamel dots, yikes, left, so I thought I would use them all up. So let's see, I have 2 up here in this cluster. I have 2 on the phone, so it's on the home button, as well as like the little camera button, and then 2 on my bits down here with my words. And then finish it off with just some really nice, simple splatty bits out of my patina color, and that's it. So really liked it. Love that I am using up kits and sharing with you and hopping along. Oh, let me do kind of like a PSA, because I need to do this more. I have a Lucky 7 class that will be starting on the 21st, and I would love to have you guys join me. It's $25 for 10 weeks, and we have a Facebook group, and we're already chatting along, and we're going to have so much fun. So if you would like to join, I'll have the link down below there. It'll be the first link so that you can go right to the blog and hit the PayPal button, and it'll be a thing. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to leave also links down below for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, everybody that's playing with that, as well as the Scrap 5 Challenge. Oh my gosh, and I'm using my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit. I have a lot going on here. Okay, that is it for now, friends. I will see you guys later. If you have questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Bye-bye.